What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mint and we're back in with another video. So I want to give a quick shout out to you guys for helping me get past 700 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but been only doing this for a couple weeks. I really appreciate the immense support I've been getting so far. And like I said before in an earlier video, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a 0.1 Ethereum or equivalent in BTC giveaway. All you're going to have to do is subscribe to the video, follow me on Twitter, and then leave a comment when that video drops about the giveaway. But right now, crypto is looking really hot. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high today, hitting 69,000, and then it pulled back really quickly and then kind of dragging the entire market back with it. Everyone's saying this is a huge dip, buy the dip. I would not even call this a dip. If the 7-day time frame is still green and we're at 2.9 trillion market cap, we're pretty much higher than we were a week ago. This is not a dip. This is a very subtle correction. I wouldn't go balls deep and go buy up everything you can at a discount because I don't truly believe this is a discount. To each in their own. I only buy market dips when there's an actual dip or a huge correction. So if Bitcoin and Ethereum goes down about 20% or more, that's kind of when I look to buy. Other than that, I look for the altcoin gem, correct it a little bit more, get in and ride the wave up. Right now, it's altcoin season. The best gains are to be made with altcoins, and that's why I haven't been putting as much of a focus on NFTs. NFTs have been getting crushed lately, and although there has been some resurgence with a bounce here and there, it's not enough to give me confidence to dive right back into the space. So at this moment, with Ethereum gas fees being incredibly high, I'm not going to be doing any new mints, and I will drop some more videos about upcoming mints just to give my take on it and my opinion, but for the most part I won't be participating. I will be watching some of the blue chip projects I'm still interested in getting in, and once a favorable price rolls around I will enter. So Cool Cats, Subducks, Doge Pound, things of that nature. But until then, I just want to talk about a couple altcoins that I think are going to have a great month of November. And if they weren't on your radar before, I definitely recommend putting them on your radar now with today's little pullback, as well as with some upcoming upgrades and updates to the ecosystems. They will have catalysts that could propel them forward. So the first project I want to talk about is Terra Luna. And if you guys are in DeFi place and not in Terra Luna, I don't know what you're doing. This project is one of my favorite projects. I've been in it for some time now, and I always tell people this is the next project that should be on everyone's radar. Sitting at a modest $23 billion market cap, this is not one of the smallest altcoins out there, but I still believe this is a very safe bet. It's been having a steady climb up in the past month, and I still think that this project easily should be a $100 billion market cap, if not more, by the end of this bull run. If they're anticipating the bull run to hit about $10 trillion at a market cap peak, I see no reason why this shouldn't be $100 billion. That would bring the price up to almost about 5x from here, and that's about 250. So great project, great play. And if you guys don't know what Terra Luna is, it is essentially a blockchain protocol that uses fiat peg stablecoins to power a global payment system. So basically, the whole protocol's job is to foster an ecosystem for fiat-backed stablecoins, such as the US dollar or the Korean won. There is a decentralized stablecoin behind it under the Terra Luna ecosystem, and the protocol's main focus is to essentially use algorithmic monetary elastic supply to change the amount of Luna in circulation and either mint or burn the stable coin, so US dollar is UST in this example, to keep it pegged to the $1. Since its inception, the UST value has not dropped below $1 for a long period of time, and anytime it did lose its peg, it instantly went back and grabbed it. You have a decentralized stablecoin opportunity here because it's not like USDT, it's not like USDC, which are both centralized to the core, and they're not even backed one for one by a US dollar. UST is essentially backed by Luna, and Luna is either minted or burned to keep the UST value at $1. And Terra Luna also offers amazing projects within the ecosystem, such as Anchor Protocol, where you can deposit your UST and gain upwards of 19 to 20% APY on that dollar. If that's not a savings account on steroids, I don't know what is. Terra Luna's core idea is to be a cryptocurrency to maintain a stable price with an elastic monetary policy. So that goes back to saying it's not a finite amount. It will be burned and minted to keep the price in check. And here there's options of the euro, Canadian dollar, Japanese won, and then of course USD UST, the USD stablecoin. As far as fundamentals go, we can see that Terra Luna started at a low about 0.7 per token, and since then, in just 11 months, it shot up to $53, a 75x. I still think there's a lot more money on the table for this project, and if you haven't heard about it before, this is the time to look into it. A lot of the information of Terra can be found on their white paper, and everything is on their website, which I will link below. So no, definitely go check it out, take a read of the white paper, and that just know that this is a true decentralized project with amassing regulations coming into the United States. A lot of centralized stable coins might be at risk. A lot of people don't want to put their money in USDC or USDT, and so the best decentralized stablecoin, in my opinion, is UST. It's still only at about a $2 billion or $3 billion market cap, whereas USDT and USDC is upwards of 70, 50 billion or whatever it is. As demand for UST goes up, more Terra Luna is burned to keep the price at $1, therefore increasing the price of Terra Luna. And one major upcoming event coming for Terra is that they are preparing to burn more than 9% of the total Luna supply. This was recently announced at the end of October, and they will be burning about 90 million Luna tokens, which will be almost about $3 to $4 billion. If that's not supply squeeze waiting to happen, it's coming. And this has not been reflected on the price yet. So this is definitely a good opportunity for everyone to get in. And just overall, if you kind of scroll down here, you can see that the total value locked on Terra reached $10 billion. Terra ranks as number 4 of the blockchain with the highest TVL, following Ethereum, Binance, and Solana. Those are literally the top 3 protocols in the ecosystem. They're in the top 5 coins right there. Terra is sitting at number 12. So if they're number 4 in TVL, but number 12 on total market cap, it just clearly shows that there is still room for growth. And this is a safe bet. I truly believe that Luna will go up, but this is my opinion, not financial advice. Please do your own research. If you truly believe in Terra Luna, then you may call yourself a lunatic. Next project on the list is Crypto.com. Crypto.com, or ticker CRO, is a up-and-coming cryptocurrency exchange that I believe contend with Coinbase. If you come down and look at the 30-day chart, CRO has been taken off. Sitting at only $8 billion market cap, there's a lot of potential for this project. Coinbase, currently a public listed company, sits at about $69 or $70 billion market cap, and CRO is far behind it. CRO has a lot of room to get more users, and with mass adoption right around the corner, I think CRO is in a perfect place to blast off. Looking at the top cryptocurrency exchanges by volume, so over here, American only, so you got Coinbase at 1, you got Kraken, FTX US, and then you come all the way down and you got Crypto.com right there, number 11. There's a lot more room for growth here with the onboarding of new users. There's just more opportunity. I see Crypto.com's logo everywhere. They did strike a partnership with Formula One, $100 million sponsorship, and this is pretty much giving Crypto.com a brand presence. And here they've partnered with UFCs to help launch the first official UFC's NFT collection. And then here, UFC signed a $175 million sponsorship deal with Crypto.com. This is how much money they're willing to put down for mass adoption. And I believe that this token has a chance to get to $1. I think it's currently priced right now 33 cents, and it had a crazy run up in the last 30 days. You know, you can see right here, it was staying in that 10 to 15 cent range for the longest time. And it's only sitting at $9 billion market cap right now, so I still think there's more opportunity for this token to go up, especially with all the marketing they're doing, all the brand deals and the partnerships they're releasing. This is a no-brainer for an easy 2 to 5x. Given the bull run still continues, I can see this token easily hitting about $1, and that is beautiful to me. One thing to take note of is Crypto.com also recently just went live with their Cronos mainnet. Here it says Cronos is a EVM chain running in parallel to Crypto.com, aims to massively scale the DeFi ecosystem by providing developers with the ability to rapidly port apps from Ethereum and EVM compatible chains, with funding from Particle B's $100 million EVM fund and access to the 10 million user base of Crypto.com ecosystem. They don't even have the users that Coinbase does, and they're not that far behind. Once more users are onboarded, is leveraged with their new DeFi wallet, I see Crypto.com exploding. Once again, not financial advice, just my opinion, but I've been in this project for a little bit. I think this month is going to be another good month, and if the bull run continues to the end of Q4, this project will do well. And the last project on the list is Loopring. Man, Loopring had a crazy run up recently, so I always tell people don't buy peaks, wait for a pullback. To put it simply, Loopring is an Ethereum layer 2 solution utilizing L2 ZK rollups for scale and speed. So you can do everything that you do on Ethereum, but through Loopring. It uses Ethereum's fundamentals to maintain stability and security while also using the ZK rollup feature to offer highly reduced gas fees and transactions. One of Loopering's major goals is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized on-blockchain order settlements. And so this will create a hybridized product that will take the best of both aspects of both centralized and decentralized exchanges. Ethereum 2.0 is far away. We don't know when it's going to come, but until that day comes, you need layer 2 solutions to make Ethereum usable. And then talking about the recent price hike, there was rumors going around about a GameStop partnership, but basically coming down here, we can see that there's new evidence suggesting a potential partnership, and it surfaced on Twitter late last night. In Loopering's GitHub, it mentioned GameStop multiple times, and GameStop is planning on creating an NFT marketplace. A lot of people are speculating that it will be done on Loopring because they do plan on using it on a layer 2 solution. And I believe one of the founders right here, one being Pfizer, who worked for Loopring, is now head of blockchain for GameStop. So an ex-Loopring worker is now working for GameStop, and inside the code that could be read on GitHub, there was GameStop noted multiple times. Loopring is also releasing a counterfactual wallet and will allow NFT trading on a layer 2 solution. This is an opportunity to trade and invest in NFTs without being associated to Ethereum's price. That is a game changer. Right now, NFTs are pretty much inverse to Ethereum's price. If Ethereum is going up, NFTs are going down, plain and simple. But it's only because it's almost next to impossible to use NFTs in the largest ecosystem there is, which is Ethereum, because it costs so damn much. If we have a layer 2 solution that takes away that one hindrance, there's nothing stopping it. Ethereum has all the developers, it has all the projects, and it has all the volume. Once that is optimized on Loopring and layer 2 solutions, there is no reason NFTs should be staggering. And another thing is that a counterfactual wallet is currently being released on Loopring, and basically what that is it's almost a beta wallet, where previously you would have to spend some money in gas to use Loopring's wallet, but now you get to try it before you buy it. So right here, it costs about $100, and that is a barrier to mass adoption. We want everyone to be able to use the Loopring protocol as well as the functionality. They don't want you spending a lot of money just to try a product out. So they created this counterfactual wallet to essentially let you beta test the wallet, see if you like it, and if you ultimately do, you can migrate to the actual version of the wallet by paying that $100 gas fee down the road. Loopring is at $4.5 billion market cap, so it is a little high, but based on what has been happening lately, I think that this project still has a lot more room for growth. With the release of the NFT marketplace, the DeFi wallet, and partnerships potentially with GameStop, there's just enough catalyst to bump this price up even more. I can see this easily going to about 10, 15, even 20 billion. You know, that's almost a 2 to 5x in the next couple of months. Once again, not financial advice. And if we are continuing the bull run as it is stated, then I see no problem with Loopring hitting those price targets. That's all I had for the video today, guys. Crypto is really hot right now. It's altcoin season, and I'm putting most of my focus in altcoins. I'm still going to be going back and forth with the NFT space, giving my updates, reviewing other projects, but right now I'm going to be dropping more videos on cryptocurrencies I'm investing in, methods of how to invest in certain cryptos, and strategies that I use. So remember, guys, hit that like and subscribe button, turn that bell notification on. A lot of these videos are time sensitive. I appreciate the immense support I've been getting. I'm your boy Mint, and I will catch you guys next time.